Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply open Capital One banking account. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference and type in the Capital One account's URL, which is www.capitalone.com. Once you do so, you will be redirected to the sign up page of the account. So now here you need to click on the three lines which is on the left hand side of the screen. Once you do so, all you need to do is click on checking and savings. After doing so, you have to click on compare all savings account. Here you can briefly check on different kinds of accounts. So according to your preference, you can select any one of the account you want to open. Here I have shown you an example by opening a 360 performance savings account. So as I click it open, now I need to click on no, as I don't have one login, or if you have already logged in Capital One, then you can simply select yes. As I selected no, now I have to click on continue and enter my first name as well as my last name. So after filling up these two credentials, you need to fill in your email address as I have shown in the video. So once you click on your email address, you have to again confirm your email address. So after this process is over, you need to click on continue and you need to click on your mobile number. So once you fill in your mobile number, you will end up in answering your residential details. So after completing this and clicking on the continue option, you need to fill in all the details that are needed to be filled in. So after you complete filling in all the details, the bank will then ask you to fund your account by any other banks. So the last and final step is to fund in your opened account. So once this is done, you will be ready with a newly opened Capital One account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.